Does it ever feel like technology is moving faster than you can keep up? One minute there's a new phone, the next minute it's artificial intelligence, smart homes, or self-driving cars. Technology is everywhere, and learning how to use it wisely can make your life easier, more productive, and even more fun. Welcome to HowExpert Tip of the Day, where we bring you real-world tips from our how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. If you want to learn even more in-depth strategies, examples, and techniques on this topic, check out HowExpert Guide to Technology, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. Technology isn't just about gadgets and apps, it's about tools that help us solve problems, connect with others, and shape the future. From smartphones to AI, understanding technology gives you an edge in both work and life. Key point number 1, master the basics. At the heart of technology are computers, networks, and data. Knowing how devices connect, store information, and communicate helps you understand everything else, whether it's your phone, laptop, or smart TV. Key point number 2, stay updated. Technology evolves daily. Subscribing to trusted news sources, blogs, or podcasts helps you stay informed without feeling overwhelmed. The more you understand trends, the more confident you'll feel navigating new tools. Key point number 3, use tech to boost productivity. Apps for task management, cloud storage, and collaboration can save hours of time. For example, tools like Trello or Google Drive streamline teamwork and keep projects organized. Key point number 4, protect your digital life. Cybersecurity is just as important as physical security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and stay alert for scams. A little caution goes a long way in protecting your data and privacy. Key point number 5, embrace future tech. Artificial intelligence, virtual reality, and smart devices aren't just science fiction anymore. They're shaping industries and everyday routines. Being open to learning about these tools keeps you future ready. Optional key point number 6, balance is key. Technology is powerful, but it can also be distracting. Setting boundaries like screen-free meals or dedicated tech-off hours helps you maintain a healthy balance. Take the example of a teacher who embraced technology in the classroom. By using interactive whiteboards and educational apps, she boosted student engagement and made learning more dynamic. Instead of resisting technology, she used it as a bridge between students and knowledge. Technology is all around us, shaping how we work, learn, and live. By mastering the basics, staying updated, using tools productively, protecting your digital life, and embracing new innovations, you can thrive in a world where tech never stops evolving. The future belongs to those who know how to use technology, not fear it. For even more tips, techniques, and practical examples on technology, check out HowExpert Guide to Technology, available at Amazon, Audible, Barnes & Noble, Google, Kobo, Apple, Spotify, and all major bookstores as an ebook, paperback, hardback, and audiobook. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.